Hello, everyone. This will be our 8th video on how companies can benefit from applying artificial intelligence for their customers. Do you have any questions related to multi-agent systems?
Hello, I have been doing some research on artificial intelligence and multi-agent systems, but I still have some doubts about their practical application. Could you explain me exactly what they consist of?
Of course. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that enables machines to learn and make decisions based on data. Within AI, multi-agent systems, MAS, are a specific approach in which several autonomous agents work together to solve problems efficiently. These agents can be computer programs that cooperate, negotiate, or even compete with each other to achieve a goal. They are especially useful in scenarios where multiple variables interact simultaneously and an agile response is required.
What would be the main difference between analyzing data manually and using these systems?
Manual analysis is flexible and allows a high level of contextual interpretation, but it is slow and error-prone, especially when handling large volumes of data. In contrast, AI and SMAs can process huge amounts of information quickly and accurately, eliminating human error and automating repetitive tasks. In addition, these systems can integrate with real-time databases and learn patterns of behavior, which improves their predictive capabilities. For example, in the B2B financial services sector, a consulting firm could implement an MAS to analyze the payment and risk patterns of its customers. This would make it possible to detect potential defaults before they occur, offering customized solutions to each customer based on their history and behavior. This type of application not only improves risk management, but also optimizes customer relationships, increasing retention and loyalty.
Sounds interesting. But, in terms of costs and benefits, are they really worth implementing?
Absolutely. Process automation through AI has enabled many companies to optimize their operations, reduce operating costs, and improve decision-making efficiency. Similarly, AI-based personalization has proven to be key to improving customer relationships and fostering customer loyalty. In addition, AI makes it possible to anticipate problems through early detection of unusual patterns. In the B2B business services sector, multi-agent systems can optimize customer communication and management through real-time analysis of customer needs. This makes it possible to anticipate potential requirements and allocate resources efficiently. For example, if a customer reduces their interaction or changes their requests, the system alerts the sales team to intervene with proactive strategies, ensuring a more personalized and effective service.
That sounds great, but from a financial standpoint, how profitable is it?
It has been shown that AI can offer a high return on investment, up to 3.5 times the capital invested. However, its success depends on several key factors. Careful selection of the use case is essential for AI to have a real impact on the business operation. The quality of the data is also a determining factor. A poorly trained AI system can generate errors, so it is recommended to start with pilot projects to evaluate its effectiveness and make adjustments before a full-scale implementation. Also, combining AI with human supervision maximizes its efficiency and reliability. This approach allows AI to handle repetitive tasks and massive data analysis, while human experts validate and refine the results, achieving a balanced solution between technology and human judgment.
But I am a bit concerned about the adaptability of these systems. Can they adjust to changes in the company?
Yes, MAS are highly adaptive. They can learn from new situations and adjust to changes in real time. For example, in customer management, multi-agent systems can analyze the behavior and previous interactions of each customer to personalize communication and loyalty strategies. A practical case in the B2B services sector is the use of AI to segment customers according to their level of interaction and satisfaction, enabling sales teams to prioritize contacts and offer personalized solutions at the right time. In addition, these systems can be integrated with the company's existing CRMs and ERPs on-premise. Often, these traditional systems store large volumes of customer information, but do not have advanced artificial intelligence capabilities to extract meaningful patterns or anticipate future behavior. By connecting AI to these existing platforms, it is possible to leverage their functionality without replacing the current technology infrastructure. For example, if an ERP registers that a customer has reduced their orders in recent months, the MAS can identify this behavior as a potential churn risk and trigger an automatic retention strategy, such as a personalized offer or a direct consultation with a sales advisor. This enables more efficient customer relationship management and a proactive response to changes in customer buying patterns.
I like the idea. Where do you recommend to start?
Ideally, start with a pilot project, focusing on a specific problem that the company is currently facing or that has recurred in recent months. In this way, AI will be able to generate an immediate and demonstrable impact on operations. Then, it is crucial to monitor KPIs and adjust the strategy according to the results obtained. As the value of the solution is demonstrated, the implementation of these systems can be expanded to other areas of the company or for other problems that the company may have. It is also advisable to train the team so that they can interact efficiently with these tools and take full advantage of their capabilities, ensuring that the transition is smooth and effective.
Very clear. I think it makes a lot of sense to start with a pilot focused on a specific problem, then follow with a progressive implementation, and finally scale up to a full implementation. Could you help me to define the best strategy to carry out this process?
Of course, we can define together the objectives, the necessary data, and the indicators of success. The key is to integrate AI and WMS in a way that complements your current business operation and does not create unnecessary disruption. We can also analyze specific solutions for your industry and evaluate which technologies are best suited to your needs.
Excellent. What would be the next step to get started?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navachirata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve customer management.